Every great film begins with a single shot. Not expensive cameras, not Hollywood budgets, just how you see. In this video, we'll explore the 7 essential shots every filmmaker should know. These 7 basic shots built cinema as we know it, from Titanic to 1917. And today, they are in your pocket. Whether you're shooting on a shoestring budget camera, an iPhone, or any mobile device, these foundational shots will transform your storytelling from amateur to cinematic. And with tools like the Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra, the best AI gimbal under $200, your phone can move like $1 million rig. Let's master the 7 shots that separate filmmakers from button pushers. Before we meet who, we need to understand where. The establishing shot sets your world. It breathes, it waits, it tells us what kind of story we're about to witness. Think Inglourious Bastards, that slow, wide shot of the farmhouse. The camera lingers in silence before the tension arrives. Or No Country for Old Men, the barren landscape around Llewellyn Moss's trailer. Empty, isolated, doomed. Both use space and stillness to whisper what's coming before a single line is spoken. Try this. Use your Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra to capture a slow pan across your location. An empty street at dawn, a room before someone enters. Frame the silence. Let the space tell the story first. But before we move on, here's what makes this shot so much easier to capture and control. The Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra is the best under $200 AI mobile gimbal with a touchscreen detachable remote, an inbuilt stand, and an inbuilt extension rod that extends up to 20 centimeters. Its AI tracking sensor makes tracking fun. It follows your every move, responds to hand gestures, and lets you shoot solo, like you've got a crew. With it, you get the freedom to shoot anywhere, anytime, and also without more exhausting retakes. No stress, no complicated setups, no cables. Click the link in the description to get yours now. The establishing shot is your promise. Now, let's meet your characters. This is where story happens. The medium shot waist to head is the workhorse of cinema. It balances emotion with action, intimacy with context. We see body language, gestures, and the space between people. In Devotion, medium shots capture brotherhood and tension emotion grounded in realism. And in Straw, the medium shot becomes intimacy itself, allowing us to feel every glance, every pause, every silent thought between the characters. The shot says, I see you not too far, not too close. But to truly feel a story, we need to go closer. Now we enter the soul. The close-up and extreme close-up are where truth lives, where a flicker in the eyes reveals more than any dialogue ever could. A Quiet Place, Day 1. Fear, breath, survival, all in a face. Black Hawk Down, extreme close-ups of soldiers under fire pull us into chaos and humanity all at once. Close-ups create connection. They say, look closer, feel this. And once we're this close, we begin to understand relationship. Now, if you want to know how great filmmakers make their films linger in your head long after they end, click the link in our description to get the guide waiting for you. The over-the-shoulder shot builds connection between two people. It shows perspective, conversation, the invisible space between souls. Think Titanic, Jack, and Rose. Their bond growing frame by frame through OTS coverage. Then shift to the French OTS framing from behind the character's cheek or ear. Suddenly, we're inside the moment. Intimate, almost intrusive. In Creed 2, when Adonis tells Bianca he has to fight Victor Drago again, the French OTS pulls us into that vulnerable confession, that private moment between lovers where words carry weight. But what if we want the audience to become the character? That's where the point of view comes in. The point of view shot doesn't just show what a character sees, it shows what they feel. Saving Private Ryan, the D-Day landing. Water hits the lens, bullets tear through the frame. We don't witness the war, we experience it. Use point of view when you want your audience to be there. Your approach. Mount your phone on the Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra and walk through your scene. Let the AI tracking follow your movements smoothly, naturally. Point of view transforms perspective into empathy. And once we're with the character, we need to stay with them. Motion is emotion. The tracking shot journeys alongside your character were no longer observers, we're companions. In 1917, the camera never lets go, so we walk with Blake and Schofield. In The Covenant, we following John Kinley through exhaustion and danger. In La La Land, dreams turned into rhythm, life into choreography. It's one of the most cinematic tools ever created. And yes, your phone can do this. Finally, we control how the audience feels about power. Angles don't just frame a subject, they reveal power, vulnerability, and the invisible weight of a moment. The low angle looks up at your subject. It gives them stature, dominance, even myth. The world shrinks around them, they become larger than life. The Dark Knight, when Batman stands over Gotham, shot from below. We don't just see a man in a suit, we see a symbol, a force, something unstoppable. The high angle looks down at your subject. It makes them small, exposed, at the mercy of something greater, fate, fear, the world itself. In The Covenant, John Kinley lies wounded in the dirt, and Ahmed struggles to save him. Shot from above, life hangs by a thread. The high angle doesn't judge. It simply reveals fragility. Two angles, opposite truths, same story. Cinema isn't built on expensive cameras. It's built on shots that mean something. Start small. Practice with your phone. Use the Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra to stabilize, move, and breathe life into your vision. Because the best stories aren't told by the filmmakers with the best gear. They're told by the ones who see differently. Master these 7 shots. Your cinematic story starts now. Subscribe to Breadfruit Studios for more tutorials that turn simple shots into stories that move people. See you in the next episode.